Hello YouTubers, it's me Mad About Fly here for yet another video. This is another custom, and all of my videos that I've done today, they all said 100% custom. That's because I did not copy it. This is of an airline called Air Cargo, as it says there. That's the name of the airline. And this is the Boeing 737-800 because of the ringlets. And you can see that's the logo of the aircraft. There's it one side. Then turn it over. And then that's it the other side. And what you'll notice is about this, it's got the airline logo at the front as well. This can open up. Unfortunately, it's quite hard to put back on. And you can see it's got two quite big engines. And I'll just get my other two Lego vehicles. This is just for a comparison. As you can see, that little plane is smaller than the Bombardier Dash 8. And that Bombardier Dash 8 is smaller than the Boeing 737-800. And that's basically the aircraft. Oh yeah, it's also got a beam on top, as you would expect. And this is the undercarriage. And there are the wheels. This was intended to be the Airbus A350, but it's too small. Oh yeah, it's also got the elevators on it and great detailing on the tail fin. And this this was intended to be the cargo plane for the Lego City cargo terminal, but I decided to change it. I added some spikes at the back just to make it realism, and this can sit quite a lot of passengers on board, and there's two pilots on board. I think you can see that. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, and you can comment and subscribe for more videos on its way real soon.